Welcome back to the PhD Prep Lab channel. So today's video is going to be about the short-term training program by National Institute of Immunology, also known as NII. This is in Delhi. So this is by their Department of Biotechnology, and this is their 6 months training program basically. So this is going to be a very nice opportunity for the students who are enrolled in their master's program or bachelor's 4-year bachelor's to apply to a research oriented training program for 6 months. So you're going to get a very nice exposure of hands-on experiments and research analysis. So let's dive into the video. Let's see what they have mentioned in their application. So this is the 6-month training program, as I've mentioned already. Moving on, they have mentioned some criterias that you should meet to apply for this program. So the eligibility that they have mentioned is that you should be either a master's degree student currently enrolled in it, and you should be in the final year of your master's degree, or you could be, if you are in a 4-year undergraduate engineering degree, BE or BTech, you could be in the 8th semester or the last year to be able to apply for this internship. So basically you have to be in the last year of your either engineering study or your master's study. The academic requirement that they have mentioned is you have to have 60% marks in all of your major examinations starting from your secondary school onwards. So not just only your master's but your undergraduate also, and your secondary school, your 11th 12th marks should also be above 60% to meet the eligibility criteria. And it is also a very important point that they have mentioned is it's important and compulsory that a 6-month training should be the students should be a compulsory component of the students degree program. So if this is a compulsory component in your degree, only then you are able to apply, because this is going to be a full term commitment. You cannot juggle in between your classes and do the training. So this is mandatory that you must have this as your compulsory of your compulsory component of your degree program. Okay, moving ahead, what they have mentioned is they have mentioned clearly that this is a full-time commitment and the student should be available full-time for the entire duration of the training. And this training is solely for the academic and research purposes. Students should follow all the rules and regulations by NII. You have to submit a declaration form which will be signed by your head of department or institute in the prescribed format. They have mentioned a link to download the format of the declaration form. You can check out the link from our description box also. We have mentioned that. And if you are not able to submit this signed by your HOD or your head of the department or institute, you will not be, like, your application will be cancelled. And a department of the institute can only forward a maximum of 2 requests. So you have to make sure that from your department or your institute only 2 people are applying, because like they won't accept more. If a department is sending like 4 5 applications, they will not accept it. Accommodation will be provided on the campus on sharing basis, subject to availability. If it is available, it will be given to you, otherwise you have to arrange it on your own. So applicants must mention their broad area of interest from the following subjects. You have to give a brief justification within 50 words. Make sure that you stick to the word limits. Don't write a 200 words paragraph. Just stick to the limit and just mention why you want to, why you're interested in this broad area. So the areas that they have given is immunity and infection. Second is genetics, cell signaling, and cancer biology. Third is the chemical biology, biochemistry, and structural biology. The fourth broad area is computational biology, bioinformatics, applications in biology. So these are the 4 broad areas from which you can choose one and just apply for it. The important dates that are for the applications are the application portal is now open. The last date is 6th of November 2025. You can just apply, you can check it out and start applying before 6th of November. You have to apply, and applications are now open for the January 2026 to June 2026 session, because of 6-month internship. And the selected candidates will be informed from 15th to 22nd November. They will be informed, and the joining date is 1st of January 2026. So this is all about what they have mentioned regarding the short term training program. You can find the links of how to apply and the HOD form and the website link, everything, all the three important links are there in the description box mentioned. And you, if you have any further doubts, you can mention it in the description box and we will answer it for you guys. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so that you don't miss out the updates on the training programs and workshop opportunities in future. And thank you for watching.